Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Saree Creation. So friends, I have painted this beautiful saree last week and I'm gonna share the entire making of this saree in this video. So watch till end, and if you enjoy the video then please hit a like and share to your friends, and do subscribe our channel for more videos, right? Let's have a look. I'm starting with two colors, blue and white, and taking freehand easy strokes. Feeling the lighter shade inside. So my flower is almost done, and now for the leaves. Same as the last one, two colors, yellow and green. Look, I'm not a painter as well, but still I try because I want to explore. So my tips to the beginners, that don't get upset or don't get nervous, just try and sort it out. I am still a beginner and I learn every day. Now I am using a 3D outliner for the outlines. You can use fine brushes also. Actually, this is the design and we need to repeat all over the saree. Now it's time for detailing to give the flower a real look. Now here is a little tip. Actually, when we buy the outliners from stores, we are used to get a thick texture inside it, but I am using LiQWYD acrylic paint inside it for the smooth flow. Using this, our designs will be more flawless. I have made some thin branches there too. And it's done. Repeating same way all over the saree. And now the pretty model is ready to show you the entire look of this saree. If you enjoyed the video, then please let me know in the comment box, and do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. And one more thing, if you want to buy this saree, then please WhatsApp to the number on the screen. Thank you so much for being with us.